Go, right? August, September are yet to come. Some of the hottest temperatures we've ever hit have been in our 8th and 9th month of the year. Let's get outside and show you the good news. There's some rain on radar. We could hopefully get some of this into the area. That always cools us off. We really need some rain. I mean, there's some spots that have not seen much at all. You can see most of the heavy rain is off in the Gulf waters, also west of Del Rio. But I'm watching this storm develop in western Kerr County, just dropping into Real County. This is a growing thunderstorm complex just north of Lakey right now. Here's Camp Wood. So this will definitely bear some watching, because any thunderstorms in this kind of an environment with this kind of heat definitely go severe quickly. We saw it yesterday north of Kerrville, up around the Junction area. This is a little farther south, so this could definitely help us out, especially on the aquifer. Boy, the aquifer has been down several feet over the last few days. All right, a bit of a hazy sunshine and 103 on the thermometer, but look at what it feels like, what your body thinks the temperature is. 116, thanks to a dew point at 74. We're not alone. 117 Hondo, 112 at Del Rio, but it is 112. That's the actual air temperature. Uvalde feels like 112. 114 the feels like at New Braunfels, 106 in Bernie. Please remember something very important. If you stop sweating, if you go to a real bad headache, or your body temp goes to 103 and you're getting the chills, you went from heat exhaustion to heat stroke. That's when it's time to call 911 and definitely take action. Any of the symptoms of heat exhaustion means you need to get inside, need to drink some water. But remember, when you start seeing the symptoms go and they escalate, and your body's designed perfectly to give you those red flags, you've got to get medical attention quickly. Dew points are in the mid-70s with that south and southeast wind, and they're not going anywhere. We're expecting mid-70s through tomorrow as well. That's why the heat advisory, the heat warning, has been extended through tomorrow night, as has the code yellow. From CPS Energy, code yellow means between 2 and 7, avoid using large appliances. Now, here's a few of these tips. Remember, set your thermostat to 78. The only way you could do that in the house is if you got these ceiling fans going. Remember, they're going counterclockwise. That's the key, counterclockwise, and that can drop temperature inside by about 4 to 6 degrees, because here's tomorrow, 103 waiting for us on Wednesday afternoon, and the future feels like could go to 115 again. All right, tracking the tropics, the latest on Tropical Storm Brett, just a little bit of strengthening, up to winds of 45 miles per hour, so barely a tropical storm. We're starting to see now that this storm could actually encounter a little bit of shearing in the eastern Caribbean. And so now the forecast is that it stays a strong tropical storm and just shy of hurricane status. But look how it weakens over the weekend, running into some wind shear south of Cuba by Sunday. All right, 7-day forecast time. Temperatures are staying the same. We're looking at 103 tomorrow, then maybe a little bit of a break. Thursday, Friday, 100 to 101. But then we're climbing again over the weekend, 102s. Starting next work week, 103s. And still no chance of good measurable rainfall, Alana.
And tomorrow is the first day of summer?
Tomorrow, summer begins.
Can't tell.
Yeah, exactly.
Can't tell.